Welcome back to Frost's Garage, guys. This is going to be a really short video. This kind of follows up on the headlight video. This is something some of you that have the 03 to 07 Silverados might not know about, but it's called the Fleece Mod. It's basically a little piece that you put in your relay box, and if you watch like normal, when you kick the highs on, it turns your lows off. Well, when you install this in the relay box, what it does, when you kick the highs on, it'll keep your fogs, lows, and highs on so you get the most amount of light out there. So I'm gonna show you real quick what it is. So it's this piece right here. It's made by Fleece Performance Engineering. It just goes in your relay box. I'll show you how to put it in here in a second. And I'll put the link and stuff down in the description too as well for you to get it if you want to install it on your truck. But first, let me go ahead and show you what the truck does before you install this. Alright, so you see here, this is without the Fleece Mod installed. This is my low beams with those LED bulbs I put on in the last video. So normally you kick the highs on, you had the highs come on, and it'll kill your fogs and your lows. So you notice you lose the bottom part that's bright, and it just shines up high. Alright. And if you pull back the stick like you're trying to just flash the lights at somebody, that's what it's like with all of them on. So the Fleece Mod is going to make it like that when you kick the highs on. So that's like flashing somebody, that's just your highs. That's what the Fleece Mod will do. So let me go ahead and pop the hood and we'll show you how to put it on real quick. Alright guys, so what I got here, let's get you aimed a little better. So what you're going to need to pull out is this relay, that relay, and this one. So what it is this going to be your high beam, low beam, and your fog light relay. So you pop these three out. Get this one out so I can get a better grip on that one. Alright, so we got those three out. We'll go over here, grab our chip real quick. And all you do is just drop it there in its place, like that. And put all your relays back in. Sorry guys, I'm getting your aim off a little bit. So we popped all the relays back in, and that's pretty much it. Go ahead and put your cover back on. Now put the hood down. All right. So now it's all installed. So you see there, that's just your normal low beams. And now when we go to highs, see, now it just gets fully bright. It don't kill the lows. Alright, so you go back to lows, highs. And what you'll see here, I'm leaving on the high beams. So now you see I got the low, the high, and even the fog lights down here at the bottom. All of them stay on at the same time so you can see way down the road. So if you've seen my last video, you've seen kind of how far it shines before. We'll take it for a quick cruise down the block and you'll see how it is with all of them. And if you hadn't watched the video from before, I'll do a I'll go ahead and just grab a quick little snap of it driving down the road with it before versus now. So, get nice bright light all the way down the road. That's back on the lows. You had the highs, it just shines off further without killing your short distance. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for this video. Like I said, this was going to be a quick, short, easy one. But that's a great little modification you can do just to get you more light down the road. It'll work with halogens, the LEDs like I installed, HIDs, any kind of bulb. But again guys, if you're looking at maybe putting a Fleece Mod on your truck, works, like I said, works for the 03 to the 07 Silverados, the cat eye front end. Haven't been able to find one for the 99 to 02s. I wish there was, because I put one on the race truck. But yeah, so if you got a cat eye and you're looking to do this, the link and everything be in the description so you can pick one up. But again guys, thank you for watching. Hit the like, subscribe button, and I'll check you in the next one.